How to use coupons on Shein. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can use coupons on Shein. Now if there are any sort of coupons that you might have gotten, such as a promo code, discount, or other coupon codes, you can apply them during a Shein checkout process. Now there are many ways to apply them. You can open the Shein app, come to the Me tab from here, and over here you should see all this where you can see vouchers. So you can actually use these vouchers by simply tapping the apply button, and it will automatically get applied to your next order over here depending upon what you're trying to buy. So when you tap on apply, you can add the products that you want to your buy cart, then go to the cart section and they will get applied to your next order. Or you can also directly go to your cart page over here. If there is any sort of checkouts that you want to make, during the payment information page you should be able to go ahead and then check out and then use the coupons for those products. And this way you can use coupons on Shein. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.